Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're holding Stellar on Bitrue and want to secure it on your Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure your transfer is smooth and safe. Why bother? Well, moving your crypto to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X keeps it out of exchange risks and gives you full control. Before we dive in, make sure you have your Bitrue account set up, your Ledger Nano X connected and updated, and some Stellar in your Bitrue wallet. Let's get started. First, open the Bitrue app or website and log into your account. Navigate to your wallet section and find your Stellar balance. It's usually under the Assets or Wallets tab. Look for the XLM symbol. Once you're there, click on Withdraw or Send next to your Stellar holdings. Next, you'll need your Ledger Nano X address. Plug in your Ledger device, open the Stellar app on it, and use the Ledger Live software on your computer to generate or view your receiving address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back on Bitrue, paste the Ledger address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to send, making sure to leave some for network fees. Select the Stellar network, it's usually the default, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Review everything one last time. On your Ledger Nano X, approve the transaction by following the on-screen instructions. It might take a minute or two for the device to process it. Once approved, sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transfer. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your Stellar is now safely in your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, check the official Bitrue or Ledger support pages. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions.